I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a Phantom. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a banner. And I got 2 big dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. She know I got the funny Prada when I hit Milan. I needed me a diet rider, I need me the one. I started from the bottom, you can see the way I stung. I want all the diamonds.
Alright, you guys, more shop updates happening. We did not expect this to happen so quickly, but we got hooked up by the plug, my man G, and the boys are gonna try and install a lift. We are trained professionals, we've done this before. Don't try this yourselves. Zach's a heavy duty mechanic, professional J-Man, Red Seal, fucking, and Jacob's a structural engineer. And we're pretty much good. I'm just here for the camera, so I have zero input on this.
We got Nike. We got Trip Kicker. And we got some Helly Hansen.
You can't not drip.
Bottom, you can see the way I stung. I want all the diamonds, I want that shit to weigh a ton. The ops, they tryna lie me cause they hate the place I'm from. But them niggas don't know me, they just know the place I'm from. I got lots of shorties tryna pull it to my place. But you ain't want me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall, a nigga, are you lazy? I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a Phantom. I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks.
Well, we ran into some issues with the shop install. We had to do a town trip. We ended up being in Edmonton for at least 2 hours, wasting time. And this is one of the purchases we decided to get. So we're gonna play around with this. Who's getting shot first?
Yeah.
Him?
Did you find something cool?
Yeah.
Bah, bah. Bah, 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 bah.
Way to go, Ken! Jacob's just torquing down the final bolts. We finally finished putting this goddamn lift in. We ran into probably a million different problems, but we figured it out. We fucking pursued our dreams. And remember, guys, don't stop believing, just like Zach's poster. Because you guys saw us have some fun with the BB gun. We got shot in my booty hole.
Not still filming, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Nice.
Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I think we're gonna test out the lift, make sure everything operates fine. We did test it obviously with no vehicles on it, but now that it's bolted down and torqued.
I have something to show you guys.
Oh no. This is how you get a faux hawk really quickly. Boom! 10-second morning hairstyling tip from your boy Zach. Actually, it doesn't look bad, that's the thing.
Hair tips from Zach.
If I'm being brutally honest, today was shit, but the lift's in. Video over.